This is a training session recorded to show the formulas available when applying constraints to a booking. First of all, go to your partner centre and select the sales catalogue. Find the experience you want to edit. Parameters are set in timing and pricing. I've clicked on pricing, and you can easily see where to enter a formula should you wish to use one. Okay, so now you know where to find a formula. Let's jump into the training session and see what they're used for.
We've got all these levers that I think we need to give you the control that you want. So we implement a constraint that says here, for example, we'll never combine more than 4 tables. You'll probably set that to 2 or something, but I've set it to 4 for testing. Or we can't have more than 20 people turn up at one particular slot because, we'll never seat them or the kitchen won't cope. Mm-hmm. Or we can't have more than 5 tables going out because some operations have got different constraints, but we let you constrain on number of overall bookings, number of people, individual people, and number of assets that go out at any particular time slot. We then have average duration and various other things that you can play about with. But this lets you write code to control what your result is. So the obvious example here is...
If you've only got 4 people on the table, you can have an hour and a half, whereas if you've got 6 people on the table, you can have 2 hours.
Because you can reuse these functions in different experiences, but you can also test which experience you're in. Type booking followed by a period into the space below and your world becomes clear. JavaScript is, so if you say, okay, I've got an object called booking with the following properties, the return value is what you actually want to tell it. So the only thing to watch out here is that we always, in Tillex, everywhere we deal with pence, not pounds, to avoid rounding.
I'm just going to end this tutorial here, as the point was to show you all the different types of formulas you can use in booking. So please go and watch the walkthrough on each one. This is just to avoid confusing you, as if I show you them all here, it would be rather a long video. For example, this is a JavaScript formula for booking party size.